Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to this 2016 VW Golf. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over to the audio system, you'll see it's already picked it up. When you go to the audio system, you'll see there's no menu there. When you approach it, the menu comes up at the bottom. But anyway, we want phone. Click on phone, and we want find telephone. So click find telephone there. It's saying that I've just been playing an audio book actually through this system, and it's saying there that the Bluetooth audio system stopped. Where is iPhone 12 Pro? Would you like to connect? And a pairing request has come up here. So connect. Does this passkey match? Yes. Pair matches the passkey on there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it connected.